Yo, hello. Um, so, guys, it's a Friday. It's another live stream. It's another trading day actually, and yeah, quite an interesting one. Looks good so far actually. We had some news. Let's have a look at this first. We had some news, I think 1.5 hours ago, like here at 2:30 p.m. Non-farm payrolls on non-farm employment change. Is it the same? I think it's kind of the same, right? Yeah, so news event had a huge impact on the markets, or at least on the charts and the positions that I had open and still have open, and it was actually really lucky that I had all positions in the in the right direction. So here USDJPY yen is in a good profit now, GPS dollar is in good profit, and also gold is currently in a very nice profit. So it could be one of the better trading days today, and it's also really needed because yeah, of course, I mean the last few days were just not really good. Lost like, I don't know, 5K in the last 1 or 2 weeks, which is just not good. And yeah, for that reason, it's nice that at least today there are some profit, it seems, which is really good. And yeah, NFP was good for my account today, or at least so far it looks like. I mean, the trading day is not over, so as I always say, it's like everything can happen. It can also, of course, completely turn around and everything. But let's not hope for that. And also, I quickly wanna post the link of this stream in the other live stream, so more people can come over and maybe chat a little bit or ask some questions. And yeah, as always, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask. I will also go through the yeah, I mean, of course, the trades and also the FTMO accounts in this live stream, because also the FTMO accounts are also affected by this. Like basically all of the trades are of course affected. And yeah, but so far, as I said, like USD yen is really going down, GPS dollar is going up, and gold is also going up. And here we can also see very nicely the effect of the US dollar, because we have US dollar in USD Japanese yen, GPS dollar and XAU US dollar. So all of these pairs are against the US dollar, which means that if there are news in US dollar and US dollar gets like stronger or weaker, whatever, it should affect all of these markets. And also, for example, if USD Japanese yen goes down because of US dollar news, then usually or typically GPS dollar should go up, because the USD is just at another position in the symbol pair name. And same, of course, also is valid for gold. And yeah, and it's interesting that the indices are not reacting as heavily or strongly as the currencies, but I mean, that's fine. I don't really mind. At least there are good trades in the currencies so far, and the trading day is not over, so could even get a little bit more or less. Let's see what it brings. Let's go through the FTMO accounts also, or at least some of them. In this account, actually, the today is not only positive. I mean, yeah, right now it looks nice because there's this 1.5k profit trade, which is 3 times the risk in UJ. But also, if you have a look at the history, there are also 3 days closed already today, which is more than 1.5k loss, because yeah, gold got 2 stops triggered, and Euro Japanese yen also lost one trade, which is another 500 euro loss. So yeah, for this reason, the account is more or less break even for today. But yeah, yeah, that's just how it is for today. But we do also have this FTMO account, for example, and this one is doing a lot better. This one is up almost 1 point, yeah, almost 2K today, which is super good, and yeah, really glad for that. But yeah, I mean, trading day is not over. Let's see how it will change until the end of the day. And there's a question, the first question actually, Pawn Plug. I have a question. With all your backtests you do from starter, it's very good to have a large enough sample size. I mean, you say you have a question, but I don't really see the question. maybe it's just me, but I don't really see a question in your message. So yeah, make sure to maybe elaborate on your question so I also understand it, because I don't really see the question. Yeah, FTMO. What do we have here? FTMO. FTMO. Yeah, it's good. My universe. You use Claude AI to create expert advisors. How's that going? Do you experience some problems with the EAs, or is everything running smoothly? Because I never really used AI to create expert advisors, because I can just code them myself. But yeah, it's always interesting to hear more about the progress that AI makes. And yeah, a couple of months ago it was not really useful for creating expert advisor for the MetaTrader 5, but yeah, lately more and more people say that they use AI for expert advisors for MT5 EAs, so I assume it's gotten better, which is nice.
Another group is
Okay, another comment on the AI for expert advisors. Yeah, I mean, it's good if AI is getting better for expert advisors. That's nice. Maybe I should give it another try and also create some EAs with AI. I think it's good for yeah, I think it's good to just play around with it a bit. Just prompt him step by step. Okay, yeah, I think it depends a lot on the prompts you write. I don't know if I'm good at that, but okay, yeah. Yeah, at this point probably if you code it yourself, you can be more specific and like code exactly what you want. But yeah, I mean, it's just getting better. So in the future, I think AI will play a larger and larger role in like all of this. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Then I will be glad to read and respond. Are you living from trading now? No, of course not. I I make like all of the like this is basically all of the trading profits that I make. I share like publicly on YouTube, so it's not like I make hundreds of thousands of euros with trading. I mean, yeah, of course, last year was good, like with a 60 or 70k in profits, including FTMO. But still, it's not like I would want to live only off of trading profits, because it's not a stable income source, and it's yeah, also it's just not enough to comfortably live off of it. Like, because when you live off of trading, it's really yeah, I think it's not really recommended, because it's just too much of up and down, and the pressure in drawdown periods is just too it's just too much, I would say. Or for me, it would be too much if I would live off trading only. How's your FTMO account? Made a big profit, maybe. Yeah, I mean, some of my FTMO accounts made big profits today. I can show you real quick. So you can see here, like this one didn't make a profit. Just showed it before also, but this one is 2.5k up today, which is good. It's like more than 1% in this account, and it's kind of close to break even again, which is great. And this one, yeah, is good, is up with a good amount, and yeah, I'm really happy for that, because this is my scaled up account, so I could take like 90% of this even, which is great. And I mean, I'm happy for that. So maybe I should get another payout soon. Yeah, it's just the first time that this account is a little bit like more in profit and can claim the rewards here. I'm trading this for quite a long time now. I can show you. Since the last payout, I mean, the last payout was end of May or beginning of June. So for the last 3 months, I didn't really make any payouts here in this account. So maybe, yeah, I should make or request the payout soon, just to get some money out of it. But yeah, it's going great. Like, I mean, today is going great. Last few days were not so good, but today is really good for for the FTMO accounts as well, which is nice. Then oh yeah, now there are some questions coming in. Is all pairs different EA or same for all? And make sure to read the video description of this stream, and you will learn about the EAs I use and yeah, how many EAs I use. Currently I use 3 different EAs. Yeah, and a total of 12 charts. Do you trade any mean reversion strategy? No, I only trade breakout strategies or like trend following strategies. Mean reversion strategies never really worked for me. I don't know why. Hmm. Mm. Oh no, indices are coming down a bit. Indices, at least the US indices. It's good that also like the 40 is going down. I mean, here I have the position with the range breakout EA. I mean, would be nice actually if if it can go further into this direction. And yeah, let me check the questions. How's this month going for you? I mean, trading wise, it's not the best month. I think I don't know, it's a little bit negative still, should be. Do you trade any minimum? Oh, I answered this. Does Ninja Scalper made profits so far? Overall, I'm not really sure. I think right now in the account where I use it currently, it's negative. Yeah, especially because of gold. Then also I had one like trading mistake where I closed the position that I should not close. That was stupid. But yeah, it's not super profitable, I would say. Probably it's not even profitable at all, but I don't know the exact number. How much you make per month from YouTube and EA course? YouTube is really not a lot. Like from YouTube, I make, I don't know. I need to check for you. Yeah, you can see here like the YouTube analytics. I make $500 per month, so it's not really a lot. And I think yeah, that's also like the average for the last months. Yeah, it's not a lot that I get from the YouTube views. But yeah, course sales are more. Course sales is I think currently like 2,000 to 3,000 euro per month currently. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes 4 or 5k, but on average, it's maybe like 3-4k with the course sales. That's okay. I mean, I'm not really promoting it a lot lately, but yeah, just happy with the programming course because it's like really providing a lot of value and people learn how to code. And now the markets are going to the wrong direction, which is really, really bad. Almost down 1k since I started the stream. That's not good at all. Hi Rene, cheers. I'm curious if it's okay for you to share which EA strategy among the 3 that you use the most successful. Yeah, just watch the monthly analysis videos that I upload to the channel and you will see all of the details. No audio. I mean, there should be audio. I hope hope you can hear me. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's audio. I don't know. May I know what's the advantage of setting buy, sell stops at range high, low instead of just buying, selling? You can do both. I just work with a stop order, but there's no particular reason. You can also work with market orders. I think it will not really make a huge difference. Do you still live in Germany or in a more tax-friendly country? I still pay taxes in Germany, yes. Kelvin, I'm using a similar range breakout strategy, but with a lot more filters. Okay. Yeah, I also use some filters in some accounts, but yeah, usually I use without filters. I like to keep it as simple as possible. So yeah, the D40 is really weak today, really falling down like a stone. Kind of hope that the currencies will not revert completely here. Want to keep some of the profits, of course. I use Lucas copy data and it doesn't simulate spread for me. Did you use the tick data or the 1 minute data? But if you use tick data from Lucas copy, it should simulate a spread. I mean, of course, it's not the same spread that you have with your broker, but there should be spread. You can ask the like support of whatever tool you use to get the data. Why did you decide to set your go long EA for Germany 40 not to buy at 1 but at 9 a.m.? Just because the spread is a lot higher at 1 a.m. Yeah, markets are coming. Also, I just realized there are not so many questions, and also I just planned a quick live stream today because I have an appointment in half an hour, so I will end the stream soon already. And I mean, you can still watch the trades until they're closed in the other stream. Make sure to do that if you're interested to see how it turns out. And yeah, I think this is the last time I will stream for this week, of course, because it's Friday. Let's hope that today that the account can keep some of the profits that were that are currently open. That would be very good. And in half an hour, the trades in the currencies will be closed. Then 55 minutes later, gold will be closed. And then later this day or in the night, the indices will be closed. That's like what we can expect to see in the account today. Also, I just realized there, or in the calendar, it says there's a Trump speech at 10, which, of course, can always create a lot of movement in the markets. So that's also interesting. But yeah, then, of course, I will not stream live because then I'm hopefully sleeping. But yeah, that's a little update and insight. I mean, so far could be a really good trading day if the markets do not revert completely here in the next minutes. But yeah, that's just a little and quick update. Okay, guys, I'm out. I will see you in the next week. And I will upload a video in, I think, 15 minutes that you can watch to learn more about the performance of the account in last month, August. If you're interested, you can learn what strategy exactly made which profit. So yeah, make sure to watch that if you're interested, and I will see you around in the next week.